Long Island Sound west of New Haven CTPORT Jefferson, New York, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing strong winds over 35 knots 3 nautical miles northwest of Oyster Bay Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Cold Spring Harbor around 6:50 p.m., Huntington Bay around 6:55 p.m., Smithtown Bay around 7:20 p.m., Port Jefferson Harbor and Stratford Shoal around 7:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following marine location: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York.